services and prices in the description below. Today, we're going to pull 3 cards from Suze Orman's money cards. You can pick 1, 2, 3, or all 3 for money advice. So, the first one is value. You must first value people, then money itself. Then finally, the thing that money can buy. The second one, when you learn to take pleasure in what your money brings to your life and how it can help yourself and others, you will find that all your financial transactions become guilt-free and harmonious. The third one is, it's important to accept the fact that your own money situation will have ups and downs. No matter how carefully you plan, even if you do every financial thing right, money, like every other thing in the world, isn't always going to behave in the ways that you can predict.